Hello everyone, halo semuanya, apa kabar? Sini aku megang burung. How are you? I hope you're in a good health. Here I hold birds. Look, see birds. So aku bingung mau dipelihara atau mau dilepas saja, soalnya kalau dipelihara takutnya nanti nggak ada waktu, maksudnya nggak bisa tiap hari merawatnya gitu. If I take care of this bird, I don't think I have time for take care this bird every day, so I think I have to I let this bird fly and free. Let this bird free. Ya, tapi tadinya pas ditemukan burung ini dia nggak bisa terbangnya bentar lalu jatuh lagi. When I found this bird cannot fly. When I try to let this bird fly, just this bird fly but not too high and then fall again. And now I'm gonna try if this bird can fly free and this bird can go away wherever this bird wants. I let them. So if this bird cannot fly anymore or just fly and then fall again, I'm gonna try to take care, because if this bird just fall to the land, maybe, or to grass, maybe snake or ant will eat this bird. Ya, kalau misalnya ini nggak bisa terbang terus dia jatuh ke tanah aja, ke rumput gitu, bisa jadi dimakan semut atau dimakan ular, ya kan? So I'm gonna let this bird. Kita coba melepas. We try to let this bird free. Mencakar dan menggigit. You see? Mencakar dan menggigit. Sleep. He sleep. This bird sleep. You wanna fly, huh? Look. Hey, wake up. Bangun. Matanya tutup. Oke, kita coba terbangkan ya. Aku lepas. See fly. Terbang. Bisa terbang, tahu. Selamat di mana pun kau berada. Selamat sehat. Ya, kalau nggak bisa terbang lagi jauh, jatuh lagi, terpaksa dirawat, ya kan? Gigit aja dari tadi. Gigit or kiss me, bite me. Tengok. Okay, fly. See, you can see there is a yellow color here, and brown and black and gray. Okay, fly. Look, see, and then fall again. Jatuh lagi. Ini dia. Tuh. Jatuh. Itu dia. Jatuh dan nggak bisa berdiri. Tuh, telentang tuh. You see? Dia nggak bisa berdiri. He can stand. This bird cannot stand. So, should I take care of this bird? Where is focus? See, now focus. Tuh, dia kayak gini aja, gak bisa berdiri. This bird cannot stand. Just lay down like this, and then fly and bite me. Kita coba terbangkannya lagi ya. We try again to let this bird fly. 1, 2. Lepas. Let my hand. Hello. I want to make you fly. See? Fall again. Pretty tired. Stay. Oh my god. Look. Where are you going? See? Hey. He tried to hide. Hiding. I don't know, she or he. I don't know, this bird is a guy or a girl. Look at the camera. Not focus. Oh my god. What's up? See? Hello. Hey. Oh, kan? Just want to bite. Look. Well, I'll be the strongest that ever. Gonna fly again? Or you already tired? Mau terbang lagi atau udah capek? You gonna fly again? See the... Let's talk about family. Wake up. Hey, wake up. Hey. Look at the sky, beautiful. Cantik pemandangannya di sore hari. Beautiful view on at the afternoon. Monday afternoon. See? Around my garden.